kyongera abantu okuzza emisango.
Kote yachwera Christopher Nyomokere cheneso cho kwitwa yabayebembirwa muramuzi Alscom Hanji Kauka kandi etakachwira omushango ogu yabanza yashabokero yabaine kintu kyone cyari kwenda kugamba ningasho kwesa z'abanya-Uganda konkokero yajyangu tachine.
Are you going to tell me why I shouldn't pass a death sentence?
No, my lord, I'm not going to say something today.
You don't want to say anything? Do you want to say something?
No, my lord,
You don't even want to apologize to Uganda?
Omunchwamu omuramuzi Kauka yajyangu batungira obujulizi buri kumara ku Christopher yisira abana bariyo mu mbeera nungi kandi omutego guri kukora kurungi.
Murdered them in a very gruesome and brutal manner.
Era mu kuwumbawumba mu gavumenti ategeeza nti emisango gino gyazzibwa mu ngeri etali ey'amaanyi etali yakisa wadde ng'era n'obuvune obwakolebwa bwali bw'amaanyi nnyo ng'era bwazzibwa mu kifo ekyali kisuubirwa kuba eky'emirembe ng'era n'omuntu eyazza emisango gino baali beyazzaako omusango bamutwala nga taata waabwe ng'era mu kifo ky'okuba nga abawaawo obukuumi yasalawo okubasanjaga.
Abahorereza bashitabarizibwa bashaba omuramuzi kumuhereza ekineso kiringaniire abw'okuba alina oburwaire bwa sikosero nkaneeke yakurugamu erimu obutabanguko n'obutakwatanisa bitu omuramuzi ebiti yabuhurikiriza wageraganisa n'amaani g'omushango.
While passing the judgment, I emphasized how gruesome and brutal and heinous this offense was, and not only are the families of the deceased children still grieving, but the entire nation of Uganda still grieves at the loss of 4 innocent souls whose destinies were cut short by the barbaric actions of the convicts on the 2nd day of April 2026.
Era mu nsala yange nannyonnyodde nti engeri abaana bano abattibwa mu ngeri embi nnyo era etaalina kisa era emyoyo gino egitaalina musango gye gyafiirwamu era ne basalibwako obulamu bwabwe obwali obw'omu maaso ng'era n'ebiro byabwe gye baali beeyolekedde byasazibwako ono yennyini yasingisiddwa omusango mu nnaku z'omwezi 2 omwezi ogwokuna omwaka 2026.
Omuramuzi yajjangwa kibonereza ekintu kijja kuba ekyokureberaho ali ababiina emizenke ya Okero.
I agree with the prosecution that this case or these offenses fall in the rarest of the rare.
Era nzikiriziganya n'oludda olwabi nti omusango guno gugwa mu misango egyo ginnamusangwa egitasangikasangika.
Like the probation officer informed the court that when he made inquiries, they said this kind of thing had never happened. For 4 children to be killed just in a very short time by one person. Having said that, the convict must be given a sentence that will not only speak to him, but also to those friends of his whose identities he refuses to disclose, and any other person in this country who believes in sacrificing blood for wealth. Let them know that it is highly risky because they will be found like Mr. Okello was found, and they will not escape the long arm of the law. In light of the above, I have found no reason why I should not sentence Mr. Okello with the maximum sentence.
Arisha 11 z'omwabazyo kooti yashomera Christopher Okero ekibonerezo ky'okwitwa abw'okusinga omushango gw'okwita abaana ahari gaba Early Childhood Development Daycare Center.
I hereby sentence him to suffer death for the murder of Eteku Gideon in count 1, Keisha again Roth Otim in count 2, Seriange Ignatius in count 3, and Odeke in count 4 in a manner authorized by law.
Nsindika Okola Christopher Nyo ku kibonerezo ekyakalabba olw'okutta abaana bano omusango ogusooka Eteku, owookubiri Keisha, omusango okusatu Seriange Ignatius ne Odeke mu ngeri eragirwa mu mateeka.
Bwanyuma y'okumushomera ekibonerezo omuramuzi Yajan Christopher alina obugabe kujurirwa mu kkooti ejurirwamu 2012 kutandika erizooba.
Mr. Okello, you have a right of appeal. You have a right of appeal against the conviction of this court, both the conviction and the sentence. This you should do within 14 days from today.
Hona abantu bakuru n'abaana kuruga muri gabaho bwinazo bwabire barebwa bari kuzina abwencamu. Ndi Anita Tukunda na Aidan Bataringaya.